some Japanese basics together. Our topic will cover numbers, weekdays, and days of the month in Japanese. Let's enjoy learning step by step, and I encourage you all to repeat after me when we practice. Let's learn together. Benkyou shimashou. Now let's learn the days of weeks in Japanese. Each day is connected to the nature and the elements like the sun, moon, fire, and water. This makes it easy and fun to remember. Let's learn together. Sunday means Nichiyobi. The kanji is used to represent sun. That is, we use it sun and in Sunday. The Yobi kanji is this. Okay, this is Yobi and this is Nichi. Okay, how can we say Sunday? Nichi Yobi. Monday means Getsu Yobi. This is used to represent moon. Okay, then Tuesday means Kayobi and this is used to represent fire. Okay, Wednesday Suyobi. This used to represent water. Thursday means Mukyobi. The structure kanji is used to represent tree. Friday, Kinyobi. This used to represent gold. Okay. Saturday, Doyobi. The kanji used to represent earth. Let's repeat with P. Sunday, Nichyobi. Monday, Getsuyobi. Tuesday, Kayobi. Wednesday, Suyobi. Thursday, Mokyobi. Friday, Kinyobi. Saturday, Doyobi. Nichiyobi. Getsuyobi. Kayobi. Suyobi. Mokyobi. Kinyobi. Doyobi. Hope you understood well. Next, let's begin with Japanese numbers. Numbers are very important because we use them in daily life for counting dates and time. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. 1, ichi, 2, ni, 3, san, 4, yon or shi. Okay? 5, go, 6, roku, 7, nana or chi chi. Okay? 8, hachi, 9, q or ku. Okay? 10, ju. These are all the kanji representation for 1 to 10 numbers. Let's repeat with me once again. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana, hachi, kyu, ju. Hope you understood well. Finally, let's move to the days of month in Japanese. Some dates have special reading like 1st, 4th, 10th and 20th. Don't worry, once you practice, it becomes easy to remember. Let's learn together. First day in a month, Utsi Tachi. Utsi Tachi. Second day in a month, Futka. Futsuka. Okay? Third day in a month, Mikka. Fourth, Yokka. Fifth, Itsuka. Whenever it is a big, you pronounce it as Itsu. If it is small, you say Mikka. The pronunciation is low. Okay. Fifth, Itsuka. Sixth, Muika. Seven, Nanoka. Eight, Youka. 9, Kokonoka. 10, Towoka. Repeat once again with me. Utsi Tachi. Futsuka. Mikka. Yokka. Itsuka. Muika. Nanoka. Youka. Kokonoka. Towoka. Let's learn from 11 to 20. Ju means 10, right? Ju, Ichi, Nichi. Ichi means first. Nichi means day. Ju, Ichi, that is 11. 11th day. Okay. Ju, Ichi, Nichi. Ju, Ni, Nichi. Ju, San, Nichi. For 14, Ju, Yokka. For 15, Ju go nichi. 16, Ju roku nichi. 17, Ju shichi nichi or Ju nana nichi. For 18, Ju hachi nichi. For 19, Ju ku nichi or Ju kyu nichi. For 20, we say Hatsuka. If you are someone is asking about your age, at that time you also say if your age is 20 means Hatsuka. Okay, 20th birthday. At that time we use Hatsuka. Niju ichi nichi. Niju means 20. Ichi nichi. Niju ichi means 21. 21st day. Okay. Niju ichi nichi. 22. Niju ni nichi. 23. Niju san nichi. Niju yoga. For 24th. Okay. 25th. Niju go nichi. 26. Niju Rokunichi. 27. Niju Sichi or Niju Nana Nichi. For 28. Niju Hachi. For 29. Niju Kunichi or Niju Gyunichi. For 30. Sanju Nichi. Sanju means 30, right? If it is 20, Niju. Sanju 30. Nichi day. Sanju Nichi. Sanju Ichi Nichi means 31. 31st day of the month. Memorize the special readings of the days in the month. For one, first day, it's Itachi. For fourth, Yokka. For 10, Towoka. For 14th day, Ju Yokka. For 20th day, Hatsuka. For 24, Niju Yokka. All other days, you just add their number pronunciation with Nichi at the end. Thank you so much for your attention today. We learned numbers, days of weeks, and days of the month in Japanese. There are the basics you will use in everyday conversation, like telling dates, scheduling. Please keep practice a little every day, and soon it will become natural for you. Let's continue learning Japanese together. Arigato gozaimashita. Ja matane.